The efficiency and flexibility of drones offers significant benefits. But disruptions caused by drones flying near airports can affect thousands of passengers, and conflicts between drones and conventional air traffic can occur also in more remote locations. The island of Andøya in Norway, 2 degrees north of the Arctic Circle, is home to the Andøya Space Center, a service provider for sounding rocket, balloon and scientific ground-based instrumentation communities, and highly complex drone missions. Andenes Airport lies close to the Space Center. To ensure that their drone operations can be carried safely alongside manned air traffic, Andøya Space Center contacted Indra.
We provide solutions that ensure safe traffic in some of the busiest airspaces in the world, such as London Heathrow and Dubai International. We also offer technologies to manage unmanned air traffic, and in this project we merged the two.
Andøya Space Center needed a surveillance system to monitor manned and unmanned air traffic. Indra supplied a processing and display system based on ADS-B that detects and displays all air traffic movements on a single integrated screen. The ADS-B antenna, which was placed at the top of nearby Ramnen Mountain, covers an area of 150 nautical miles, from south of the Lofoten Islands up to the city of Tromsø.
This system gives us the possibility to conduct testings with more complex scenarios than before. This system enables us to have several drones airborne at the same time and still having the position of the drones, the trajectory of flight, where they will be in a few minutes and so on. We would like to have it fully integrated with the range control and range safety system, but it also gives us the possibility of starting the tests of the concept of U-space with dynamical airspace and integration with manned aircraft.
The system at Andøya is based on the same technology that clients use worldwide to manage traffic at airports. The project demonstrates that we are capable of tracking manned and unmanned air traffic and display the information on a single screen. We could easily include more advanced functionality used at airports, such as security alerts and flight plans.
Indra's solution has given Andøya Space Center improved situational awareness, allowing drones and conventional aircraft to operate safely in the same airspace.